Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can rebirth and steal a Brainrot and all of the requirements to rebirth. Basically, to rebirth, you're going to select this button. For level 1, you'll need 1 million cash, Trippy Trappy, and Tongtong Sahur. Level 2, you'll need 3 million cash, you'll need Boneka Ambalabu and Berber Patapim. I feel so slow to say these Brainrots out loud. Level 3, you'll need 12.5 million, Truly Mero, Truly Sina, and Chimpanzee Banana Nini. Level 4, you'll need 35 million cash, Chef Kabradaka, Chef Kadabrakadabra, I don't know, and Glorbo Fruto Drillo. Level 5, you'll need 100 million cash, Frigo Camelo, and Orangutini and Ananasini. Level 6, 350 million cash, and you'll need Bombardillo Crocodillo and Bombini Gusini. Level 7, you'll need 1 billion cash and Bombini Gusini. Level 8, 5 billion and Coco Fanto Elefanto. Level 9, 25 billion, and you'll need Giraffe Celestre. And the list goes on until level 15. I'm sure you guys are bored of that, but you're just going to look there and you'll be able to see. Someone stole my Brainrot. I only have one. What the heck? But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.